Prayer to ward away spiritual disturbance. This prayer to Saint Michael can be used especially by families when they begin to experience some form of paranormal manifestations in their home. Remember that deep faith and unwavering trust in the intercessory power of Saint Michael, who defeated Satan, is of primary importance. It is highly recommended that holy water is sprinkled around after the prayer is said. Okay? In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. O glorious Saint Michael, the archangel, your presence reminds us that the devils do not only remain in hell, they are with us and they continue to disturb us. We feel their presence in this place, and they have not ceased to disturb us. Through inexplicable events, we ask you, Prince of the Angels, to come to our rescue and expel the evil spirits that haunt this place. May your sword frighten them. We know that the presence of evil spirits invites us to moral conversion. The spirit of darkness could not stay in places of Jesus' authentic disciples. We promise to make a daily examination of conscience to strengthen our will for the combat against sin. We commit ourselves to your side and to your powerful determination that led to the defeat of Satan and his followers. Stay with us, Saint Michael, so that your presence may remind us to be faithful disciples of Jesus. Amen. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.